didn't come in loud or grand, no sweeping words, no flowers planned, but something in your quiet gaze lit up the corners of my day.
The world kept spinning all around, but next to you I touched the ground.
A moment soft, a breath so true, the sky turned gold when I met you. You never promised fairy tales, no castles high or ships with sails, just morning light and steady care, a hand to hold when no one's there. You found me where I'd lost my way, and loved the parts I feared to say. You saw the storm but stayed inside. You loved me past what I could hide. You feel like home, like Sunday rain, like sudden peace in silent pain, like every song I've ever known, like arms that say you're not alone. You're not a spark, you are the flame, you are the calm, not just the name. You're every dream I've ever flown. You feel like home. You feel like home. We're not a movie, not a show, but love still glows in dishes slow, in brushing teeth and folding sheets, in walking past on quiet streets. And in your laugh I see the proof that joy lives best beneath the roof of two hearts learning how to bend, not perfect, but too real to end. If years go fast, if hands grow thin, if time forgets the way we've been, I'll still reach out, I'll still believe in every love we dare to leave. We don't need fireworks above, we built our sky from patient love, and I would choose you every time, in every season, every climb. You feel like home, like morning tea, like poems I thought lived only in me, like candlelight in quiet rooms, like spring that melts the winter's gloom. Not just the thrill, but what will stay through all the dusk, through all the day. No matter how far I may roam, you feel like home. You feel like home. So when the world begins to blur, and all I know fades into her, I'll find you there, soft, still, unknown. You'll touch my hand.